Again. In this video, we are going to see like how to uh, create the password or how to reset the password of a user. And if you are using key-based authentication, in that case, how you will configure the SSH key to newly created users or existing users you have. Okay, so in previous videos we seen like how to create the users, how to delete the users based on the users input. Here also we are not going to create the users, but we will set up the like how we can reset the passwords. So in this video I'm going to cover I'm going to use like packages, OS package I will use, FMT package I will use, and OS exec to run the commands, and I will use the string package to format the string or to work on the string. And next like I will use the input output operations because I will take the input from the users. So here we will create two function. First one is like first function which set the user password. So set user password, and second function will be like configure the SSH key. So it will be configure the SSH key. And third, the same I was trying to recall the same program that we written in previous video, like delete the user function. If user wants to delete that user, he can give the input to delete the user. And all three conditions I will try to handle via the switch statement, and we will take the input from the users with the help of reader function. Okay, so let's jump to the VS Code editor. This is my VS Code editor. Code already written because this is the long code. It will take a long time. That is why I written the code, and I'm going to explain each and everything. So this is our main package main, and here we are going to use these like packages. Okay, so in main function, first of all, in first step, what we are going to do, we are going to prompt the users like what what users want to perform. Okay, what the operations he wants to perform. It will be take the inputs from the users. This will prompt the users to enter the username and read it from the standard input, and it will try to remove the whatever white spaces will be there. It will be try to trim it. Okay, and prompt actions for taking the actions, we will again prompt one more actions. Let me run the program, and I will try to explain you like step by step, then you guys will get some idea. So for running the program, go run, and that file name. So it's asking the username. So from where it's asking the username, you can see this program. Okay, enter the username. Okay, so what we are trying to do, we are taking the input from the users, the username. Suppose I am going to pass the new user which already i- this user is already in my system. And next, do you want to action, which action you want to perform, like do you want to set the user password, configure the SSH key, or delete the users. So this prompt is coming from this code block. Okay, here we are taking the users input as a string, and what we are doing here, we are handling the error, and in action we are trying to trim the white spaces, whatever white space will be there. So suppose here I am going to press P. I want to change the user password or set the user password. Okay, so it's asking enter the password. See which option I selected? P. P in the sense, in case statement, what I written, case P. If user will press P, then it will be ask enter the password. Okay, and we are reading that input which user is providing. I am going to pass some password kind of thing. Okay, and let me press the enter. See this operation successfully. So for setting the password, what it is doing, it's it's calling this function set user password, and the argument, what argument it's taking the argument username and password as a string, and it's returning the error if any error will come. But in our case no error is coming, that log it's coming, like you can see this is the set user password, and here we are printing the logs like this is got successfully, that has been operation successfully done. Okay, let me try the next option, second case. Okay, so our second case is, let me run it. Username, again I am going to pass new user, sorry, type a mistake, new user. It's asking, this time I'm going to pa pass the k for to configure the SSH key. It's asking the enter the SSH key. So this prompt is coming from this code block. So yeah, k is k, and here enter the public key. So here I am going to enter the public key. Suppose this is my public key. I am going to press the enter. Okay, now operation has been performed. So which operation it's calling? It's calling the configure the SSH key. So this is our function, configure the SSH key. So what we are doing, as you guys know, our SSH key path is like, let me explain you. So uh, there are multiple ways to log in the users or authenticate the user. First one is via password, as we already see, cat slash etc slash pass wd. This is the file which contain all the password related things. And second one is the key. Key is stored in home directory of the users. Suppose we have the username like new user, so that home directory will be slash uh, slash new user. Okay, user home slash new user, and here ssh folder will be there. Inside the folder authorized keys file will be there. Inside that file we are going to append the ssh content, so that when user will try to access our server, it will be try to authenticate from here only. Okay, so same thing we are doing. If ssh directory is available, then fine. If not available, it will be try to create and configure the our uh, uh, our ssh key. Okay, so this function will create see, this is the function. Okay, this function will create the ssh directory. If doesn't exist, if that directory will not be available, then it will be try to see here. If condition we are checking, if directory is not exist, it will be try to create the directory in it, and it will set the permissions like 700. Okay, and second, it will be it's changing the ownership, and after changing the ownership, append the ssh key to the authorized key file, as I explained. Okay, this is the way. So let me show you like uh, cat slash home slash new to use sudo. Okay, this is home directory of the user. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, this is the home directory of the user. Inside the here it will be go to .ssh inside the ssh it will be in authorized key file. It will be try to append the ssh key data which we are passing over here. So We have third options to delete the users. Let me press the any wrong username and let me enter it. Do you want to delete the users? Yes, I want to delete the users. So see, user del user this one does not exist, so it's throwing the error. We handle the error like that. So this is the delete operations. It's taking the input from the users and running these commands sudo userdel, and it's taking the input from the users like username, and we stored in std in, and it's taking from std out, and it's running the command and giving the value to us. So this is the way we can write the our code, and we can perform the users setting the user password and key operations with the help of Golang. Thank you for watching this video. In next video, we will try to cover some new concept. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.